Hey developers, imagine this. You build one web app, but it needs to run on hundreds of different domains, each with completely different branding, colors, and logos, all pointing to same React application, but each looking like a completely different product. Hello, I'm Rizwan, and today I'm showing you how we build a white label system that makes this possible without deploying multiple instances or maintaining separate code bases. And we even solve the link problem for social media sharing. So here's the scenario. We build a SaaS platform for digital marketing agencies, but each agency wants to offer our tool to their clients under their brand. So here's the example. Agency A wants tools.agency.a.com with a blue theme. Agency B wants client.agencyb.io with their orange theme, and Agency C wants app.agency.net with their purple theme. So the traditional approach deploys separate instances for each client, but that's a maintenance nightmare. Imagine pushing bug fixes to 100 different domains. What we needed was a single deployment that magically transforms based on which domain the user visits. Same code base, same React app, but it should look and feel like it was a custom build for each agency. And the kicker, when they share links on social media, the preview should show their branding, not ours. So here is our architecture. We built a white label management system where agencies create their configuration through the main app. They provide their custom domain like app.clientalpha.com, their branding colors like the primary and secondary hex codes, their logo, and their agency name. This configuration gets stored in our database. Now all they need to do is point their CNAME records to our server, and boom, their domain is live. Here's the cool part. We use a proxy server that intercepts all incoming requests. When someone visits app.clientalpha.com, the proxy extracts the domain from the request. It queries the database, like what's the white label config for this domain, fetches the React app's HTML, and dynamically injects the agency's branding into the HTML and serves the customized version. Every domain hits the same React build, but each gets personalized HTML before it reaches the browser. So here is the code walkthrough. On the main React deployment, we have the placeholders like the title, the icons, and the primary colors, etc. And on the server side, when the request is coming, we read the domain, and depending on that domain, we fetch the white label. Once the white label is fetched, we fetch the raw or the base HTML of the app, and then we populate those placeholders and serve that HTML. Now here's where it gets even better. Social media crawlers like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, they don't execute the JavaScript. They just read the HTML and look for the meta tags. Since our proxy injects everything server side, these crawlers see the right title and the logo image. So when someone shares ai.agency.a.com/dashboard, they will see the branding of agency A. And when someone shares tools.agencyb.io, they see the branding for agency B. Same URL path, same React app, different branding, all because of the domain determines the customization. So what did we achieve? One deployment serves unlimited custom domains, zero code changes to add new white label clients, perfect link previews with custom branding on social media, full theme customization, colors, logos, names, and everything. Easy maintenance, one bug fix, update all domains instantly. And adding a new client is literally just creating a white label config in the admin panel, pointing the DNS to our own server, and done. The branded app is live. No deployments, no duplicate code, and no infrastructure complexity. And that's how you build true multi-domain white label SaaS with React. One code base and infinite brands. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for the real world architecture breakdowns. Questions? Drop them below. Happy coding.